Imagine a camera so groundbreaking that it changes the entire photography game. A camera that has both professionals and enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. That's exactly what the Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be. Leaks and insider reports hint at this being the ultimate APS-C mirrorless camera. But what truly makes it stand out? And more importantly, how does it compare to the widely praised Canon EOS R7? We're diving into everything we know so far, breaking down all the exciting details. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss a thing. Oh, and before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Factic for the latest updates and in-depth reviews on all things photography. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and the Canon EOS R9 doesn't disappoint according to the leaks. It's rumored to have a 32.5 megapixel APS CMOS sensor, the same resolution as the Canon EOS R7, but the difference comes with a new processing engine that could improve image quality, expect cleaner images, better colors, and sharper details even in low-light conditions. For example, if you're shooting a cityscape at night, the enhanced sensor and rumored expanded ISO range, up to 102,400, could help capture every tiny detail with minimal noise. This improvement could be a big deal for photographers who work in challenging lighting, because it means less grainy images and more usable shots. Even when the light isn't perfect, dynamic range is another key area where the R9 might push boundaries. While the R7 already does well in this department, the R9 could retain even more detail in shadows and highlights, which is crucial for landscape and wedding photography, for example. If you're capturing a sunset over the ocean, the R9 could keep the bright sky and the darker water balanced without losing detail. This is especially useful when editing raw files because it gives more flexibility to adjust exposure and color without introducing noise or artifacts. If you create video content, this part will excite you. The Canon EOS R9 is rumored to support 8K video at 30 frames per second, which is a big step up from the R7's 4K at 60 frames per second. That kind of resolution opens up new possibilities for cropping and editing. Without losing quality, slow motion capabilities are also getting a boost, with the R9 set to offer 4K at 120 frames per second. That means ultra-smooth slow motion footage, whether you're filming sports, dance, or dramatic action shots. In contrast, the R7 only allows slow motion in full HD, which is a noticeable difference. This upgrade could make the R9 a great choice for content creators who need high-quality video for social media, commercial work, or even independent filmmaking. Autofocus is a major factor for any camera, and the R9 is expected to take it to the next level. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus is already impressive, but leaks suggest the R9 will include eye-powered subject tracking, which could recognize animals, vehicles, and faces even more accurately than before. This would be a huge step up for wildlife photographers and videographers who need precise tracking. For instance, if you're capturing birds in flight or fast-moving athletes, the improved autofocus could help keep them sharp and in focus without constantly adjusting settings in body. Stabilization is also rumored to be improved. While the R7 already features 5-axis stabilization, the R9 could refine it even further. Imagine walking through a crowded market with a handheld camera and getting smooth footage that looks like it was shot with a gimbal. That's what we're hoping for with this upgrade. This could be especially useful for travel vloggers and documentary filmmakers, who often shoot on the go without tripods or stabilizers. Build quality is another highlight. Early reports suggest the R9 will have full weather sealing, making it more durable for shooting in rain, dust, or even snow. The R7 already offers some weather resistance, but the R9 could take it to the next level with improved sealing materials and design. This means outdoor photographers could use the camera in extreme conditions without worrying about moisture or dust. Damaging the internal components. Connectivity is also getting an upgrade. The R9 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, which means faster and more reliable file transfers for studio photographers and content creators. This could be a game changer. It also includes dual card slots, one SD and one CF Express, which will help manage high-resolution files smoothly. Additionally, rumors suggest the R9 might feature USB-C with fast charging capabilities, which would make it more convenient for long shooting sessions or when transferring large video files quickly. So, the big question: Could the Canon EOS R9 be the camera that finally dethrones the beloved R7 with rumored upgrades in sensor performance, video quality, autofocus, stabilization, and connectivity? It certainly looks like a strong contender. But what do you think? Are these leaks enough to make you consider upgrading? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and before you go. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Factic and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest camera news and reviews. Until next time, happy shooting.